Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how you can turn your everyday office makeup look into a party look. Yes, you heard me right. You can turn your office look into a party look. Suppose you have to go to a party and you don't have time to go back home, get ready, get dressed. So this is how I'm gonna show you you can turn your everyday makeup look into a party look. So stay tuned and let's get started. So I'm gonna give you some tips which you can do it and get ready for the party. We all know how important part lipstick plays in our makeup, also in our everyday life. Even if we are not doing makeup, lipstick is something very essential thing which we can't go without, right? So like even we are going to office, we aren't doing any makeup or anything, we make sure we apply lipstick. Lipstick plays really important role in a makeup. So just a change of lip color can change your look. While going to the office, we apply very neutral shades which look good at the daytime and which is suitable for office, right? But when you are going to a party, lip color is the most important thing which you have to do. Just change your lip color and you are good to go. Whatever darker shade you have at that time, you can apply that shade. Like you have dark red, dark pink, anything, whichever dark shade you have at that time, you can apply it. Or even if you don't have it at that moment, you can borrow it from your colleague, your friends. I mean, girls have that. I have seen girls carrying mascara, compact, lipsticks, perfumes carrying in their bags. So I'm sure there must be one of them who carries lipsticks and all, even if you don't have that time. So when you're in office, you don't have a makeup remover to remove your lipstick, right? So you can apply the lip color on the top of your lip color only. That's fine. Or you can clean it up with a paper at that moment. I am using this lipstick which is from Faces Canada in shade Evening Star. Also, while you're in office, you can't do much about it. You can change your lip color, or maybe you can apply a little bit blush or highlighter to your look. I mean, that's all you can do, right? So we are going ahead and changing our lip color, and let's see how it looks like. Even if you don't have anything, so you can just apply a darker shade lipstick. It's absolutely fine. You will be absolutely fine and good to go. I haven't removed my lipstick, and on the top of it I'm applying in darker shade. So as you can see, just applying a darker shade lipstick will change your whole look. It instantly brightens up your face and gives you a fresh look. When you are going to office, do not use liquid matte because you want to stay for 7 to 8 hours. Use creamy matte, so it will keep your lips hydrated as well as give you that matte finish look which you wanted. So as you can see, I haven't removed my lipstick. On the top of it I have applied this another lipstick which is darker in shade. So yes, that's a pro tip. You might have applied matte lipstick instead of creamy matte. So what will happen? You won't be able to rub it off because at that time you don't have a makeup cleanser that time. When you'll apply another lipstick on the top of it, it will get chapped, cracked, and it won't look good. And at that time you can't help it. So that's the pro tip. Another product which can change your makeup look is highlighter. Yes, if you have highlighter at that moment, you can highlight it. Obviously, also you can highlight your inner corner of the eyes here, so it will instantly pop up your eyes. I'll show you how. So I'm using this brick palette and I'm gonna add highlighter on the inner corners of the eyes. Just that. You might not have brush at that time, so you can apply the highlighter with your fingers as well, like here. like this. It's absolutely fine. Just adding highlighter at your inner corners of the eyes will instantly pop up your eyes. Another thing which you can do is you can add a little more mascara. Using this Makeup Forever mascara, you can apply mascara to give length and volume to the lashes. It looks really fresh. So I'm giving you another pro tip here is, like, nobody carries eyebrow palettes or eyebrow pencil or eyebrow fillers to their office, right? So what you can do is you can apply your mascara as an eyebrow filler. Yes, I'm going to show you how. So you have to take the mascara brush and you have to take off the excess product from the brush, and then you have to apply it on your brows. But don't go too hard, otherwise you'll mess it up. You have to be very gentle with your brows. Just like that. You can see the difference. Just like that, and you are good to go. So that was some few products which can change your look, and you're good to go. So enjoy the party, and I hope this video will be helpful for you someday. Even if it's not now, then maybe someday. So I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Also, you can take off your jacket and keep it in a bag, and you're all good. Enjoy the party. Bye. I hope you like it.